Hi, Artsnacks time. This is April's. Oh, okay. Got some sample watercolor paper. Does it mention that in here? Aquarelle Canson Heritage watercolor paper. It's 300 GSM. Was that 140? That's pretty good. Probably 140. Okay. Inks. Anybody of you okay, any of you follow me on social media, I did the whole Hobby Lobby thing, but maybe I don't have crimson. Got all that clearance ink, but ink! I have ink coming out my ears now. Alright, set that aside. Oh, cute little sticker. And the snack is the Smarties. Seems so skinny. I like big bundles. Of course, we have this. This is good. Okay. Yeah, and that is $7.99 retail, by the way. See. Ooh, this is cool looking. Okay, sorry, battery died. I don't know what you missed. Unwrapping, maybe? FW ink. That was $7.99. And 140 pound watercolor. This is Canson Heritage watercolor paper. This is my scrap that I always use. Okay, then we have Tombow Furusuke brush pen, twin tip in black and gray. Oh, that's cool. Let's see. Save that one. Use my cheap stuff. I recycled. Okay. It says brush tip. I wouldn't call that a brush tip, but maybe the black is a brush tip. Let's see. So that's the gray. No. Oh yeah, okay. It flexes, so that would be a brush tip. I like that tip actually. Okay, let me try that. Sorry if you got my head. I'm kind of blind. Okay. Cool. Alright. We're liking that. That one is $5.49 retail. And then this is Caran d'Ache Supra Color Soft Aquarelle Pencil. Oh. That means watercolor, right? And this is on the other side. Robert Cinnamons. Oh, man, I've never had that thing not come off. I was like, that was like crowned on there really good. Past the edge. So is this like from the same family as Simply Simmons? Okay, my water is green. Haven't rinsed it out in a little while. See? Green. Not since St. Patrick's Day, just since yesterday. So green project eventually coming. Okay, we're just using my spray water. Okay. So, ooh, it's a nice flat. Don't have many of those. Ooh, it's a pretty color. Nice. Okay, well, can't rinse it in there. Let's go in the garbage. Alright, so blue, black, gray, and red. What should we create? Think. Need to find my fountain pen, my dip pen. Okay, got it. Or even a paintbrush. Gonna have to think about what I might create. So here I was thinking maybe they were water soluble, but I wasn't sure what I was seeing, so pull out the test strip here and can't hang on to my paintbrush. Yeah, it moves a little bit. Let's check the black. That moves some too when it's fresh. So I thought I'd check the ones that I'd done earlier to see. And they move a little bit. That gray one almost erases, but it does move a little bit, so I'm going to attempt to do the black pieces. They're not really moving. That's about the end of it. So I hope you liked this video. If you did like it, please be sure to hit like, comment. Love to hear your comments. And if you'd like to see more from me and you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit the little bell icon to see when I'm uploading next. Thanks for watching.